Hi, I'm Gonghua Chao. I'm an industrial designer. My father, a jade carving master, has spent over 30 years crafting jade artworks. I was deeply influenced by my father. I spent the last 6 years with a team of machine learning experts and product masters developing a technology product, NUMS. My father could spend hours selecting from thousands of stones just to find the best jade materials. My team and I visited over 20 factories and optimized the algorithm for more than 900 times, just to achieve the most natural user experience. Like, why is there no number pad on my MacBook? NUMS number pad is the solution. It enables you to type without looking at the keyboard. Multitaskers like me are tired of waiting forever for programs to load. The solution is NUMS Swift Launch. With NUMS 2-second program launching speed, you can say goodbye to the loading icon. And there is definitely much more. Scratch-free, seamless fit, and multiple use. My father told me,
jade carving has no allowed error. One careless move could lose the whole game.
For many, air bubbles are common in pad pasting. However, even a tiny bubble is a giant enemy to NUMS. So we carefully printed the symbols on the back of the pristine glass and forced our manufacturer to produce a special ink, 0.001mm thin, more than 20 times thinner than a human hair. Details set great, apart from good. With seamless integration of the best software and hardware, NUMS won the Red Dot Award, the Oscar in Design World. When I shared this exciting news with my father, he told me,
it's not about the award, it's about making things matter
and making things better.
This is the Urban X Smart Electric Wheel, and it is the only difference between your existing bike and a fully functional electric bike. By simply replacing the front wheel of the bike you already own, it will turn into an electric bike and take your cycling to the next level. It flattens out the hills and beats down any headwinds. It shortens the distance by making it faster and getting to your destination without breaking a sweat. Urban X electric wheel fits any size and type of bike, either V-brake or disc brake, so you can enjoy the benefits of an electric bike while keeping the bike you already have. It comes in either throttle version or pedal assist version. The choice is yours. All the components, including motor, battery, and other electronics, are well contained within the wheel. Just a few steps of quick installation and a new electric bike is ready to ride. We've engineered an app that lets you choose whether or not to use its features like distance and speed tracking, battery life readouts, and ride mapping. If those aren't for you, then enjoy the wheel free from any device. The innovative detachable battery makes it possible to extend your range instantly, while the built-in USB outlet can keep your phone or other devices always charged. Want to start biking to work? Urban X helps you arrive fresh without breaking a sweat. Want to ride but facing health conditions or aging issues? Urban X eliminates all these obstacles to help you run your daily errands. Want to spend more time outdoors? You can now ride without worrying about upslopes or long distances. With speed of up to 20 miles per hour and the ability to travel up to 30 miles with one single battery, your venture can take you further. Urban X is all about fun, recreation, freedom, and accessibility. Our dream is to kickstart the bike revolution and make cycling popular again. You can be part of it. Together, let's make it happen.
This is Tiny Light, a tiny yet powerful, rechargeable LED flashlight. As an everyday carry flashlight, Tiny Light is extraordinarily compact. Perfect to keep on your keychain. Features a high-performance Cree XPG2 LED paired with an optic lens and produces a soft and balanced beam up to 50 meters. Twist it slightly to turn it on at 10 lumens and a bit further for turbo mode at 150 lumen. Charge it through a micro USB charging port in 60 minutes and it lasts up to 7 hours. It is rated IPX8, meaning it is completely waterproof and submersible. And the best part, it's affordable for everyone. Get your own Tiny Light right here on Kickstarter.
Say hello to One Mini, the first of its kind pocket multilingual assistant that was made for every lifestyle, allowing you to record memorable moments and preserve your voice between lines, giving you language barrier-free communication anywhere, anytime.
So, we will look at the impact of globalization.
One key recording is impossibly handy. Dual far-field microphone enables superior speech recognition.
The study I found is very interesting.
Push to record, multilingual transcription comes out smoothly in real time. No need to play back, just copy and paste. Say goodbye to humdrum typing. For simple and short conversations, AI translation is incredibly intelligent and easy to use.
Excusez-moi. Vous savez comment vous rendre au musée national?
Do you know how to get to the National Museum?
One button away, your language comes out universally meaningful.
Quiero un helado muy muy grande. 我要一个超大的甜筒冰淇淋。
For professional and complex conversations, One Mini puts live interpreters in the palm of your hand.
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
The Model 79 needs to be polished.
モデル79は売り切れで、3月前に3000枚欲しいです。
Can you ensure?
割引がありますか？
大丈夫です。お時間にないと思います。
你好，你们要吃点什么？
Do you speak English? This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
I want a double flavor pods, mildly spicy, a big platter of the sliced beef, sesame paste as dripping sauce, and an ice cold beer.
I'm allergic to shrimps. Any local cuisine for recommendation?
这位客人要一份鸳鸯锅，微辣，一份大份牛肉，芝麻蘸酱。
好了，没问题。
Powered by AI and humanity, One Mini is your omnipotent personal translator, making everywhere in the world just like your home. One Mini always accompanies wherever life takes you. It allows you to communicate effortlessly and makes everyday life worth remembering. A pocket multilingual assistant for recording and communicating.
Mugo Touch is a true wireless Bluetooth earbuds with unparalleled sound quality and rounded appearance as cobblestone. With customized 9.6mm speaker to make it more stable on high and medium bass, it has an inherent advantage in sound compared to other wireless earbud. Bluetooth 5. Instant pairing. USB Type-C. Siri and Google Assistant. The price offered by Kickstarter will be definitely your best choice.